Tanya from the SOLIDWORKS Early Engagement team. I'm here today to talk to you about registering for MySolidWorks. I'll explain who gets access, how to register, and the different tools MySolidWorks has to offer. Let's start with who has access privileges. You can get access to MySolidWorks as a student or teacher by using the Student Premium or the Student Edition serial number. Your school must be on active subscription and have access to Student Premium. Student Standard does not get access. By joining, you will get access to MySolidWorks for Student for 1 year. MySolidWorks for Student is the equivalent to MySolidWorks Professional, which normally costs $365 a year. Remember, this will give you access for 1 year only. Once it expires, ask your teacher for a new serial number and add to your account. Start by going to MySolidWorks.com. On the home page, you'll see a banner that says MySolidWorks for Students, and you'll want to click Learn More. Once you click Learn More, you're going to come to the student registration page. You're going to click Create an Account. Once you click Create an Account, you will see instructions on how to create your MySolidWorks for Students account. Then you're going to read these instructions. These are very important. When we're going to the next step, we need to make sure that when the pop-up appears, we check I am not a SOLIDWORKS customer or I do not have a SOLIDWORKS serial number. Do not enter your serial number here. We'll put in the serial number later. Now we're going to create an account. When the pop-up appears, we need to create an account. I'm going to type in my email address right here. Once that's typed in, I'm going to make sure I check the box that says I am not a SOLIDWORKS customer. Then click Next. Here you can enter your contact information, first name, last name, and create a password. Finally, you need to make sure you checked I read and agree to the privacy agreements, and click Next. An email sent to the address you provided. Please click to verify your email to proceed. Now that your account is activated, return to the student registration page and click Login. This brings us to where you register your student serial number. Enter your school name and year of graduation. Finally, you are going to enter the serial number. Remember, you need a valid 24-digit serial number that begins with 9020. This is the serial number that you get from your teacher when your school is on subscription, or the serial number from your purchased student edition. Student design kits do not get access to this. After you enter your serial number, click Register. You are now registered and will see you now have access to MySolidWorks for Students. MySolidWorks for Students contains the same amount of video content as MySolidWorks Professional. As we mentioned, this saves you $365 a year. Now we'll show you some of the cool things you have access to. There's a few training paths that I think all students should go through, such as the CSWA or CSWP exam prep courses. Remember, SOLIDWORKS certifications are industry certifications. This is a great way to build your professional resume. Outside of the CSWA and CSWP prep courses, there are learning paths. I would suggest trying out additive manufacturing and learn more about the processes of 3D printing and manufacturing, or you can learn X design. Eligible schools get access to free exam credits for over 12 different industry certifications. Take advantage of all these while you are in school. This could save you a lot of money on exams and give you the edge when looking for a job. So there you have it. Learn as much as you can and pass all the exams we have to offer. If you have any further questions about registration or any of the website features, you can tweet, message, or comment.